Good morning, student. I am Prerna Kumari, your English grammar teacher, and going to take another chapter. And the name of the chapter is gender. See the definition of gender. Gender denotes whether a noun is male, female, both, or a lifeless object. Gender means whether a noun is male, female, or both lifeless object. There are 4 kinds of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Gender, it's 4 kinds. First one is masculine, feminine, common, neuter. How many kinds of gender are there? 4. Again repeat: masculine, feminine, common, neuter. Okay, let's see the definition of masculine gender. Masculine gender. If a noun is a living being and is a male. If a noun is living being and is a male, it is in masculine gender. For example, man, brother, dog, poet, etc. Noun is a living being and is a male. You know the meaning of living being? A person who breathes, who grows, who can move from one place to another place, eat, drink, that is known as a living being. And it should be a male, it is in a masculine gender. Example, man, brother, dog, poet, etc. Now we will see the definition of feminine gender. A noun that denotes a female is said to be the feminine gender. A noun that denotes to a female is said to be the feminine gender. Whenever a noun that denotes to a female, that is feminine gender. See the example: woman, sister, lioness, etc. This one is a feminine gender. Next, common gender. If a noun is a living being and is either a male or female, it is in common gender. Common gender means whenever a noun is a living being and is either a male or a female, it is in a common gender. It will be a living being, but maybe a male or a female. We can say it is in common gender. For example, baby, doctor, teacher, etc. Baby can be a boy baby or a girl baby. Doctor can be a male or a female. Teacher may be male or female. Here is not confirmed that it is a male or a female. So it is a common gender. It should be a living being, but may be a male or a female. It is in common gender. See again example: baby, doctor, teacher, etc. Now neuter gender. If a noun is a lifeless thing, it is in neuter gender. Whenever noun that is a lifeless means non-living thing. it is in neuter gender. Whenever anything that is non-living things, that is only we can say lifeless or non-living thing, that is a neuter gender. See the example: table, pen, book, house, etc. Table don't grow, don't move from one place to another place. It needs support to move from one place to another place. Pen, book, house. This one is a neuter gender. Now see the formation of feminine gender. There are three ways in which masculine gender can be formed into feminine gender. To take the formation of feminine gender into masculine gender, to change from masculine gender to feminine gender, there is a three ways. First one is by adding ESS to the masculine. First formation is by adding ESS to the masculine. See, here is masculine gender, here is feminine gender. First one is God, goddess, host, hostess, actor, actress, prince, princess, poet, poetess. Second one, sometimes spelling of the word is slightly changed before adding ESS. Sometimes spelling of the word is slightly changed before adding ESS. See, here is masculine, here is feminine. Hunter, huntress, tiger, tigress, master, mistress. Here is changed. See, master, mistress. Emperor, empress. Here 2 number, formation of masculine gender into feminine gender. Third one, by using entirely different words. By using entirely different words. Here is masculine gender and here is the feminine gender. Lord, lady, brother, sister, husband, wife, father, mother, bull, cow, man, woman. These are the three. First one is by adding ES to the masculine. Second one is sometimes spelling of the word is slightly changed before adding ESS. Just now I have explained you master, mistress. And third one is by using entirely different word. Lord, lady. It's totally changed. Brother, sister. We don't have to use ESS or any other. This formation is totally changed. Here we go. Again, how many kinds of gender are there? 4 kinds. Masculine, feminine, common, neuter. See the definition of gender. Gender denotes whether a noun is male, female, both, or a lifeless object. Here is the definition of masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Okay, student, see this video very carefully. I will give you homework related to this video. You all have to learn the definition and the formation of gender. Thank you.